At US-EcoLogic, we understand something many people in construction eventually learn the hard way. The profitability of a project does not begin when construction starts. It begins much earlier, with the decisions made before the first wall is ever built. Because the greatest risks in construction are rarely visible at the beginning. They appear later through inefficient systems, disconnected coordination, unexpected redesigns, performance gaps, compliance challenges, operational inefficiencies, and decisions that were never fully aligned from the start. In today's construction environment, sustainable building performance is no longer optional. For developers, builders, architects, investors, and engineers, building performance is now directly linked to project profitability, operational efficiency, long-term asset value, and investment protection. That is where US-EcoLogic comes in. Our role is not simply to provide technical services. Our role is to simplify complex construction environments through integrated strategy, engineering coordination, energy modeling, building performance consulting, code compliance guidance, commissioning, and long-term operational thinking. We work with decision makers responsible for project performance across single-family, multifamily, and commercial construction environments. From local developments in Texas to large-scale national and international projects, our approach adapts to different markets, regulations, investment structures, and performance objectives. Because every project carries different priorities. But the need for clarity, coordination, and reliable execution remains the same. At US-EcoLogic, we help organize the technical side of construction before complexity becomes cost. Through energy modeling and building performance analysis, we help project teams understand how a building is expected to perform before construction even begins. That insight allows developers and ownership groups to make smarter decisions earlier in the process. Decisions that can influence energy efficiency, operational performance, compliance readiness, system coordination, occupant comfort, and long-term return on investment. At the same time, our integrated approach helps reduce risk by aligning technical systems, performance goals, inspections, and verification processes into one coordinated strategy. From code compliance and field inspections to commissioning, performance testing, E-Energy Star support, lead coordination, and verification processes. Every service we provide functions as part of a larger system designed to support project performance from beginning to end. Because technical performance should never be disconnected from business performance. And perhaps most importantly, we help simplify what is often one of the most overwhelming parts of construction. The technical side, the regulations, the energy requirements, the coordination, the verification, the performance standards. We assume the technical weight of the project so our clients can maintain focus on what matters most, making informed decisions, protecting timelines, maintaining control, reducing uncertainty, and maximizing long-term value. Because sustainable construction is not simply about building better buildings. It is about creating projects that perform better, operate smarter, reduce risk, improve efficiency, and deliver consistent value over time. At the end of the day, the goal is not simply to complete a project. The goal is to ensure the project performs as intended, today, tomorrow, and for years to come. US-EcoLogic, better buildings, better performance, better outcomes.